Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has sent an SOS to all the chief ministers amid a crippling shortage of medical oxygen triggered by the massive coronavirus surge. He said he was writing to his counterparts seeking help to resolve the crisis by diverting spare oxygen to national capital. I am writing to all chief ministers to requesting them to provide oxygen to Delhi if they have spare. Though the central government is also helping us, the severity of corona is such that all available resources are proving inadequate. Delhi currently is the worst hit city, has been reporting over 20,000 daily cases for the last few days. On Friday, it had recorded the highest ever 348 deaths in a day. The city had also logged more than 24,331 new coronavirus cases. Delhi's over 90,000 active cases are exerting a tremendous pressure on its health infrastructure. Massive shortages of medical oxygen, medicines, and intensive care beds have been reported in the city. Several big and small hospitals treating COVID patients in Delhi have said their oxygen supplies are dangerously low. The Serum Institute on Saturday responded to criticism over its pricing of the Covishield coronavirus vaccine to be sold at 600 rupees per dose to private hospitals, 400 rupees to states and rupees 150 to the center from May 1st when vaccination opens to everyone over the age of 18. The manufacturer flagged inaccurate comparisons between the global prices of the vaccine with India and said that Covishield, one of the two vaccines in use in the country, remained the most affordable COVID-19 vaccine available in the market today. Only a limited portion of Serum Institute of India's volume will be sold to private hospitals at 600 rupees per dose. The price of the vaccine is still lower than a lot of other medical treatment and essentials required to treat COVID-19 and other life-threatening diseases, the Serum Institute of India said in its statement. The initial prices of Covishield were kept very low globally as it was based on advance funding given by those countries for at-risk vaccine manufacturing. The initial supply price for all the government immunization programs, including India, has been the lowest, the company added. The centre and the Delhi government had a terse exchange in court today over supply of medical oxygen to hospitals in the national capital amid a spiralling COVID-19 crisis. The Delhi High Court was hearing the Arvind Kejriwal government's SOS for more and uninterrupted oxygen supply to hospitals in the city and in the process went into an argument with the centre over the issue. If we don't get 480 tons of oxygen, the system will collapse, we have seen in the last 24 hours. Something disastrous will happen, the Delhi government lawyer told the court, adding that the city got only 297 tons of medical gas on Friday. The Delhi government sought a detailed reply from the centre with clear details of oxygen allocation and supply schedule. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, on behalf of the centre, brushed aside the Delhi government, alluding to inaction, especially when the court in a previous hearing had instructed the centre to listen to Delhi's demand. He said, I know my personal responsibility, I know many things, but not saying anything. Let us try and not be a crybaby, Mehta said in response to Delhi government lawyer Rahul Mehra's complaint that the centre was not complying with the guidelines on oxygen allocation. 24 cryogenic oxygen transport tanks will be airlifted to India to increase transport capacity from production sites to hospitals battling critical shortages amid a frightening wave of coronavirus infections, consumer goods giant ITC Limited tweeted on Saturday afternoon. The ISO certified tanks will be flown in from neighboring Asian countries in collaboration with Linde, a privately held German company that is also a major supplier of medical oxygen. ITC also said it was airlifting large numbers of oxygen concentrators and that its paper production facility in Telangana's Bhadrachalam had begun supply of oxygen to neighboring areas. The centre has reportedly assigned Indian Air Force planes to help in this operation. IAF assets are already airlifting empty tankers to oxygen production facilities across the country. Earlier this week, the Tata Group made a similar announcement which Prime Minister Narendra Modi, whose government has been accused by some of not caring as lakhs suffer because of the pandemic, called it a compassionate gesture. The centre has asked the states to consider setting up field hospitals with help from the central government, research agencies or the private sector as the country prepares for a fresh round of COVID-19 vaccination from May 1st. Those above 18 can get vaccinated this time. This recommendation is one of the many in the latest strategy guide released by the Centre today to take India's vaccination drive forward. States can take help from agencies like the Defence Research and Development Organization and the Council of Scientific and Industrial Research and similar agencies in the private sector to build field hospitals, the centre said. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.